Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to hide online status on Messenger. So for that, what you need to do is first open the Messenger application. Now once you open the Messenger application, what you need to do is you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. You tap that. Once you're at this page, you need to tap on the setting icon. Tap the setting icon. In the setting icon, you will have the option in the second active status. You tap that. So currently you are showing active as a user in Messenger. So for you to hide that online status, what you need to do is you need to tap on the toggle show when you're active. Tap that and it will move to the left side. So you have an option to pause the active status, that is to hide that you're online on Messenger. There are options available for how long period of time you want to turn it off. There's the option until I change it, for 1 hour, for 8 hours, until 8. So you can choose the option for how long you want to be unavailable on Messenger. So I'm gonna go with the option until I change it, that is unless I turn on my active status by myself, I won't be shown as active or online on Messenger. Tap on pause. With that, you will be able to hide the online status on Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.